ụmụ ibe anyị ekene ụnụ, anyị si ka ọ dịrị ụnụ na mma n'ụbọchị nke taata. Nwanne ụnụ nwoke na-ekene ụnụ, nwanne ụnụ nwoke nọ nso na-ekene ụnụ. Anyị na-ewetara ụnụ ozi ọma site na Iyon Business Consultant. Dịka anyị si kwuo, anyị nwa bụ Iyon Business Consultant, ndị ahụ wetara ndị be anyị dị Igbo Business Philosophy. Igbo Business Philosophy bụ ihe gbasara azụmahịa, ịzụ ahịa, how to trade in Igbo philosophical way. Dịka anyị si kwuo, isiokwu anyị tata ga-abụ ihe gbasara Biafara. Ihe gbasara Biafara, ọ bụrụ na ndị Igbo, dịka anyị si kwuo, ọ bụrụ na ndị Igbo enebaghị anya gbasara ihe gbasara Biafara, ha ga-enwe nnukwute nsogbu na ndụ ha niile. Aga m enye gị ihe nrịba ama. Ọ bụrụ about freedom fighting, no, it's about the meaning. The meaning. Biafara comes from Amafara. Amafara means a spiritual problem, which is Amansi. This Amansi, they still tell you in your Bible, they said, every human being was born from sin. S-N-S-I-N. Nsi, N-S-I. The same three letters, the same three meanings, and the same poison. The same meaning. Oh. So now, every human being was molded out from this earthly component, which is ịga-agba onwe, which is you have to change. Ịga-agba onwe, you innovate, which is na-agwara gị from baptized or ibu mmiri, to innovate this your original sin. That means enjoy kere ụwa ka a na-akpa ya. That is what Biafra means. What about that is why I will give you example, because people think it's only Igbo land. No. Go to Haiti. Europeans call it third world country. Ndị Igbo sị gị na nke ịtọ ka ihe na-atọ. Third world bụ nke ịtọ, number 3. Na nke ịtọ ka ihe na-atọ. So third world, that is it. Then another one again, Afa means slaughter house. Why? Because afa bara gị otu aha ka omume gị dị. Ịghọtago? So ọ bụ afa bụ ịgba anụ ị ga-egbu. Ndị Igbo na-aba afa site na eke na orie na afọ na nkwọ. Nwa eke, nwa orie, nwa afọ, nwa nkwọ. That means the elemental nature, your brand, ihe iburu bi ụwa. Ọ ihe ị ga-ere n'ime ahịa. So anụ ị ga-egbu, afa gị bụ anụ ị ga-egbu. So afa means slaughterhouse. Ịghọta? So now, this is Biafara issue. Our issue of a joke. Somalia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Chicago, Australia. Go and check these things. You got the same thing. Jindisi Oji everywhere in the world. Or what about Igbo land? Go to Mbamiri. Igbo land is better than most of those places. But you cannot see peace. No, look. Misfortune. This misfortune, the source of misfortune, come from the spiritual debt, the component we are borrowed to mold you, to mold your body. It's a component. So this debt you have to pay back. If you don't pay the debt, abịara gị ụgwọ, Okonkwo and Unoka. Unoka means a debtor. So if you understand Chinua Achebe's book, ọ na-agwa gị maka ụgwọ. The same thing, no success. If you don't pay the loan, then you become mortgaged. You become bond. You become part of. They will be liquidated. You become part of the bank. So aga abịara gị ụgwọ. Spiritual attack will come. They will come and aga abịara gị ụgwọ. They aga abịa anaghị ego ha. Because the spirit contain witchcraft. This earth contain witchcraft. This earth contains so many things. Electricity is a part of witchcraft. You don't know what is electricity, but you use it. Go and touch it or don't metụ ya aka na waya. You see what will happen. But all those things is what they use to make you. So you have to borrow onwe. Ị ga-agba onwe. You have to exchange this component. Ị nweghị option. If ndị Igbo does not focus on this thing I'm saying, I tell you, it's eternity, because you will run the cycle for eternity. Even if you like, you stop Simeon Eba, another person will come. You see it. Ojukwu did, Uwazurike did, Nnamdi did, Simeon Ekpa did. So it's not about Simeon Ekpa, not about Nnamdi Kanu. It's not about them. It's about the issue facing the whole humanity. It's about humanity. This is the source of every evil. Everything that savage humanity, the source is witchcraft. It's about amanti. So unless we go, look at Europeans. They understand it. That's why they called you a third world country. They have solved their problem. Chinese did solve their own. We have to solve our problem. More we delay, more our children die. And we will continue shouting freedom this and freedom that and this and that. We continue. The only option is this is one-on-one issue. It's a conversation that people have to listen. People have to listen. One-on-one conversation. Look, this is your own personal problem. Every human being have not the same problem. Your spiritual problem is not the same spiritual problem with Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi's spiritual problem not because everybody have their weight. Every human being nwere the ihe a na-akpọ strength. Enwere ndị bụ Nweke, nwee ndị bụ Nworie, nwee ndị bụ Nwafọ, nwee ndị bụ Nwankwọ. Ịghọtago? But na abịazie together asị igwe bụ ike. When we come together, we become unified force. So that is why you cannot just, somebody will say, hey, what are we going to do? I did not ask you to ask me what are we going to do. I am a business consultant. I know what should be done. I know what should be done. But I'm telling you what is wrong with you. Every human being is Jiogo.